The Brother Churchman is about to step to the stage. Please give him a great big warm round of applause. Well, some birds are meant to fly away, have something to shoot for, make things go their way. There's a safety living perched inside your nest, a danger venturing outdoors, living with all the rest. Some mountains are there for you all to climb. No roadblocks, no obstacles, nothing outside your mind. There's a safety keeping both your feet in line. A danger taking that first step, not knowing how to climb. Well, that is not the life I want to know. I was meant to soar above this world and to go. Keep it flying close up to the sun. Give my wings to fly, not to burn. Teach me needs my wings to take me back to my beginning. Keep it flying close up to the sun. Keep it flying close up to the sun. To the sun. To the sun. To the sun. Some memories they're waiting to be made. They'll take your breath away from you and shut up from your brain. Living in the past keeps you without a start. Break free from the chains of iron that are wrapped around your heart. That is not the life I want to know. I was meant to soar above this world and to go. Keep me flying close up to the sun. Give my wings to fly, not to burn. Teach me my wings to take me back to my beginning. Keep me flying close up to the sun. Keep me flying close up to the sun. To the sun. To the sun. Take me to the sun. Take me to the sun. Keep me flying close to the sun. You build my wings to fly and not to burn. If the dreams beneath my wings can take me back to my beginnings, keep me flying close up to the sun. Keep me flying close up to the sun. To the sun. Thank you. Thank you very much indeed.